Top 5 Best Exercise Bike to Lose Belly Fat. Number 5. Exerpeutic Folding Bluetooth Smart. Even if you live in a New York-style flat, the folding Bluetooth-enabled cloud fitness magnet upright exercise bike allows you to work out at home. The Bluetooth folding bike was specifically developed with space saving in mind, and it can hold up to 300 pounds of weight capacity. You may monitor your exercises with Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness, available for Android and iOS mobile devices. When you're through working out, just fold the bike and store it in your closet. So, let's begin with the Bluetooth folding exercise bike. The folding magnetic upright exercise bike folds to half its original size and includes wheels for easy mobility, making it an excellent choice for individuals with limited space. It also provides tremendous value at a low price since it is well built. The bike also has 8 degrees of resistance, a basic LCD, and hand pulse sensors to monitor your heart rate. Furthermore, the cycle has an oversized seat cushion and can easily support various heights and weights. Pros. Best buy for the price category. It's strong, silent, portable, and eats up very little room. Putting it together without assistance is possible, but adding additional people makes it simpler. It's simple to assemble and friendly to ride on. The seat is considerably more significant. Cons: Padel screw problem. Tension is incorrect, it will not adapt to a new tension level. Coming in number 4. Fitness FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. When not in use, the solid X-frame construction folds down to 18.1 by 18.1 inches of floor space, and the big anatomically built backrest and inter-padded handlebar are intended for lengthy support and comfort. The speed, range, time, energy, and heartbeat are displayed in the 2 inches by 1 inches LCD window. Using the huge manual dial positioned directly below the console, you may quickly alter up to 8 levels of resistance. Use the hand pulse sensors easily situated on the wrists to measure your heart rate to keep your heart healthy. Looking for an efficient approach to burn more calories and get in shape but don't have a lot of space? The Fitness FB150 foldable bike is excellent fitness equipment for burning calories comfortably. With folding measurements of only 18.1 by 18.1 inches and built-in transportation wheels, it is convenient to pack and free up essential floor areas when not being used. The FB150 is created with a solid X-frame construction, thick steel tube, and silent network development to assure a fast and sturdy exercise. With the easy-to-use interface, you can effortlessly keep track of every one of your exercise statistics while challenging yourself with 8 degrees of difficulty. It gives you feedback about your pace, distance, duration, calories, and pulse, as well as a handy scan option. With the handlebar-mounted hand pulse sensors, you can check your heart rate and make your exercises more effective. Coming in number 3. Indoor Cycling Bike Stationary. The exercise bike's 35-pound flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame provide stability when spinning. The belt-driven mechanism is more comfortable and silent than chain hauling. It will not wake up your apartment neighbors or your sleeping children. Instead, users will have a pleasant indoor riding experience with the 2-way adjustable non-slip handlebar, 4-way cushion seat inseam height 25 to 35 inches, and a wide range of resistance. Work out your muscles, reduce weight, and improve your heart and lung function. Weight capacity of 270 pounds. The workout bike's LCD panel keeps track of your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. The present iPad holder enables you to exercise and listen to music simultaneously, making it more straightforward to continue exercising. For example, the exercise bike's adjustable cage pedals protect you from a rapid ride. To instantly stop the flywheel, press the resistance bar. The water bottle holder enables you to resupply water as needed. This cycling machine may be simply moved thanks to the transport wheels. Your kid will not access any of the components since they are all covered. The kit includes one workout bike and all necessary supplies and instructions. You may finish the assembly in 30 minutes if you use an online instruction video. A smooth, robust, and easy-to-maintain indoor riding bicycle is intended to allow bikers to surpass predetermined boundaries. The cycling bike has several configurable options and its strong steel frame and relatively quiet belt motor. It is the best gym cycle for home price. It has a 35-pound flywheel, an LCD, and a water bottle holder. Cyclists may ride in comfort thanks to the two-way adjustable handlebar and four-way adjustable seat. The maximum user weight is 270 pounds. Pros: it is not difficult to assemble if you follow the instructions. When you ride on it, it is silent. It has a digital display and a stand. It also has a video that explains more about this bike. Cons: this item is faulty because the mechanism was not correctly constructed. The problem with the resistance knob and Jane from customer service was so quickly that she mailed me a replacement component in less than 2 days. Coming in number 2. Tour 5.0 Exercise Bike. The exercise bike works with the Kinemap Fitness app, which includes hundreds of training videos from across the globe, coaching and training sessions, and scheduled programs. The high-duty 12 kg flywheel and the quiet driving system have a secure magnetic braking mechanism that lets you get to a complete stop with ease. The exercise cycle computer is preloaded with 12 automated programs and 24 manual resistance levels to select from. Cycle at your speed, or take it a step further and mimic cross-country travels with varied uphill and drop resistance. The exercise cycle provides a low-impact cardio workout that is gentle on your joints and full of health benefits. On the backlit multifunctional LCD, you can track time, distance, calories burned, and pulse rate. Push yourself even harder and set goals to reach your fitness objectives. The exercise bike will help you improve your endurance and aerobic ability. Increase muscle mass and burn calories with a low-impact exercise that is gentle on your joints. 12 automated programs and 24 adjustable resistance levels enable you to ride at your speed or replicate cross-country treks and difficulties. This bike has a stylish style, sturdy frame, and innovative technologies like the Whisper Quiet Silent Drive technology. Compatible with the Kinemap Fitness app, which includes hundreds of training videos from across the globe, live coaching and training sessions, and planned routines. Improve your training by having scenic challenges and multiplayer competition. HRC mode enables you to customize your ideal heart rate and training range. The computer will automatically alter the resistance level to keep you on target. As you work out, pulse sensors on the inside handlebars precisely measure your heart rate. Pros: it's a nice bike that feels solid and fun to ride. Trims are a little cheap and plasticky, but that's expected for the price. If you grant Bluetooth access to the app, it should locate the equipment. If you answer no, you may identify the app in settings and approve access from there. Cons: the bike is beautiful. However, it is not as stated. Assembly instructions were not clear enough, particularly when detailing the pre-assembled components. Coming in number 1. Portable Foot Exercise Cycle. A cycle is a high-quality machine that offers a quiet, smooth ride affordable. This under-desk cycle is a terrific way to remain in shape and get some other movement while you work since it is small, portable, and simple to use. It's incredibly quiet and has magnetic resistance with 8 intensity levels, allowing you to customize your exercise. It also boasts an easy-to-read LCD that shows information about your rides, such as exercise time, speed, distance, and amount of calories burnt. High-quality under-desk workout equipment helps you stay focused, boosts productivity, and burns significantly more calories than a standing desk. It is exercise equipment for the home that may fit beneath desks as low as 27 inches. Our desk elliptical includes 8 calibrated resistance levels, giving you more than double the resistance range of comparable foot pedal exercisers. For an exceptionally smooth pedal action, the bike employs excellent magnetic resistance. This desk cycle is perfect for your joints and quiet on the floor, so your colleagues won't realize whether you're in a Zoom meeting or working on site. The settings on this tiny exercise bike are straightforward. The detachable 6-function LCD shows you all you need to know, including your pace, time, distance, and calories. Stationary bikes for seniors and adults are great for getting in a cardio workout while working on official duties. Still, they are also crucial for improving strength and boosting occupational or physical therapy mobility. Pros: extremely quiet, simple and fast to construct. Strong pedal straps are permanently attached to the pedal and adjustable via Velcro. The LCD monitor is removable and can be extended to be placed on top of a desk for display. When set up correctly, my knees don't hit the deck. You can and will break a sweat while using this, at least I did. Resistance set to 2. There is no strange manufacturing solid odor. See below, right out of the box. Cons. At first, it was difficult to focus on whatever was on the computer, but after a day or two of consistent usage, you grow accustomed to it. There is no handle for convenient transportation if necessary. Not sure what the LCD units of measurement are since it's not very obvious.